You can't fix your entire life in one day, but you can fix the direction of your life in one day. And direction is everything. This is not about changing everything. It's about resetting your mind. Start the day by stopping. Turn off the noise. No phone, no messages, no scrolling. Sit quietly for a few minutes and be honest with yourself. Ask one question. What is ruining my life right now? Not 10 things, just one. Awareness is the first repair. Next, clean something. Your room, your desk, your phone. Physical clutter creates mental chaos. Order gives your mind control again. Then fix your basics. Drink water. Eat something real. Take a short walk. A tired, dehydrated body cannot fix a confused life. Now do one hard thing you've been avoiding. Make the call. Send the message. Finish the task. Relief comes after action, not before it. In the afternoon, write. Write what you want from life. Write what you must stop doing. Write what you will do differently starting tomorrow. Clarity beats motivation. In the evening, reflect. What did you learn today? What mistake will you not repeat? Forgive yourself, not because you were right, but because you want to move forward. End the day with a decision. One habit you will fix. One promise you will keep. One excuse you will never use again. One day won't change your life, but one day can change your standards. And when your standards change, your life follows. Reset today. Continue tomorrow. That's how lives are fixed.